Haven't had many rude experiences, but I can definitely attest that Michael Fassbender was a kind man who top guard dog rocks to be a fur mama shirt more excited to meet me than I was to meet him. Very satisfied with that experience. Watch it, or I'll take your smart casual, i.e. West Coast fancy night out, and put you in an old fleece, shorts, and well-loved, top guard dog rocks to be a fur mama shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, top guard dog rocks to be a fur mama shirt, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. This totally tallies with my experience in Cary. I got into a stupid situation there which basically boiled down to my keys locked in my car, which was running, along with my phone, wallet, and passed out friend. I was so fucking stressed out and upset, and this amazingly nice young guy top guard dog rocks to be a fur mama shirts with me to a garage that had the right equipment to open my door, and sent his friend to get his mom to watch over my friend and car, so that if she woke up she wouldn't be confronted with a great, hairy, other product.